everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to install furring strips for your drywall. Installing furring strips allows you to know that your wall is nice and plumb, and it also helps during that old construction when everything isn't quite 16 on center. For this job I'm going to be using a battery powered drill with a number 2 Phillips bit. Make sure you have plenty of furring strips. You also need a tape measure, screws, and something to mark your studs with. You want to make sure that you mark your studs 16 inches on center for every board that you're installing. So right here we have 4 feet. We're going to go ahead and put a line nice and bold. That way we can recognize it when we're putting up our furring strips. And we're going to go ahead and mark each and every stud all the way down the wall. Now the next step is to take your furring strip, place it up against your studs. We're going to go ahead and screw it into the studs using our screws and our drill. You want to make sure that there's at least 2 screws on every stud. That way you get less movement around when somebody's walking or with the temperature change and the shifting of a house. You want to make sure that whenever you're putting 2 boards together where they butt up, you want to butt them up on top of a stud. That way they can be secured to the wall and less shaking around. Thank you all for watching and good luck on this project.